Alright, broski, so we got some bad news. They're trying to kick me out. They're trying to shut us down. Nah. Neta, güey. Uy, güey, qué perro. Sick ass car.
Está bien quemado el pinche radio. Mira. Güey, si la ponemos a stripe, lo jalamos desde allá.
From the tubo?
Desde allá, desde aquí. Because it needs to be pulled out that way.
Today we're gonna work on the 370Z. We're gonna start tearing it apart.
Güey, pues Pablo, ¿sabes qué eres culo, güey?
Yo soy bien culo, güey.
Lo vamos a enderezar, güey.
A ver si es cierto. So the frame's a little bent. It's pushed that way. So this fool right here is saying that we can probably straighten it up using the come along. No te creo. No te creo.
Esta madre cómo se fue, güey.
I'm telling you, güey. Alright, there's only two things that could go wrong right here, güey. It's either this shit fucking rips off, or I don't think the wire's gonna fucking snap off. We're putting a strap to that pole, and then we're gonna see if we can straighten out the frame or the frame rail. Go for it. Oh, way. Oh, no way. Dale, dale. Let me help you out.
Ahí va.
Nah, ni madres, güey.
¿Se abrió, no?
Nope. She ain't doing shit to it.
Se abrió poquito.
We took off the bumper already. It's trash. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Oh, verga. So that means the radiator was good? Nah, wait, pincho yote que tiene debajo.
¿Dónde, güey?
Oh no, that shit was good, bro.
You can smell the cooler.
We fucked up the radiator. ¿Para qué?
¿Sabes lo que se va a tener?
Oh,
Gas.
oh yeah, like Freon?
No, gas en el pinche para el aire acondicionado.
Yeah, the Freon. You guys can see the fucking frame rails are bent. You see it? Can you guys see it?
It's clean title.
And it's still clean title. So we're debating on how to fucking go about this. We're thinking of pulling it to the side or maybe taking it to a body shop, to a frame shop, and trying to get it. We're trying to get it straight, but I don't know. Cause if we do it, way, we might fuck it up.
That's what I'm saying. We're not gonna leave it straight or something.
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna be a fucking drift car, so fuck it. As long as it looks good from the fucking outside, should be good. Alright broski, so sorry for not recording this, but I actually went ahead and installed my hydro. I didn't want to show you guys how to install it because it's, I mean, everybody can go a different way, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick how it looks. Check it out. That shit is slick. Nice and fucking, it's in a nice position where I can fucking, you know, yank the fuck out of it. Skirt motherfucker. It's pretty simple. I mean, I took off this cover. If you guys have a 350Z, I took off the cover, and then I chopped it a little bit. Bam, you can see right there that cut I did. And then to mount it up, I screwed it on. I screwed it on this square tubing. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then I just welded it to the transmission tunnel. Check it out. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Check it out. I got these from Unknown Engineering. I got them off eBay. They look pretty nice. Check it out. These are the dual caliper brackets and the bolts. And then the lines, I got them from PVM. So if you guys have a Z, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can use those lines for any other car. Pretty straightforward.
Thanks to Darrell for sending me this.
Yeah, catching up. There ain't sending you shit.
For sending me this fan to try out.
Alright broski, so we got some bad news. They're trying to kick me out. They're trying to shut us down. Check that shit out. Stop repairs and remove cars immediately. And then they fucking check this one off. It says inoperable vehicles in public view, junk or unregistered vehicles shall not be stored in public view. So I guess the problem was somebody saw the troquita outside and then they didn't like seeing it out there. And then they checked another one, and then it says auto repair service not allowed in residential area. Failure to obtain license to carry out business. And then call the number. So I got the troquita inside already, and we're gonna try to finish the 370Z quick because we have we rented out Grange. Oh no, we rented out Adams on Tuesday, so we're trying to get the 370Z done. And then the compa baby's gonna keep the car now. This guy right here is gonna keep the 370Z now.
I'm repossessing it.
You repoed it, bro?
He repoed it.
Shit, I owed him some money, so he's gonna keep it. It's still gonna be on the vlog, so right now, check it out. We're gonna use the same radiator. It's still good. It's a little bent. And then new fan, new coilovers. I'm gonna do the front coilovers right now while these two guys do the radio support. Are you gonna drift it away Tuesday? We're gonna try to get it ready for fucking Tuesday. A ver, güey. Let's see, bro.
It's not today, bro.
Hey, bro. So, now that this is your car, way, what are the plans for it, bro? What are the plans for this beast? What are the plans, bro? Hazte pa' allá, güey. Este güey. Che, vato. A ver, güey. What are the plans for the beast?
No más viste, güey.
Just beast, güey. Hey, güey, watch this shit, güey, que lo choque el güey y quede peor, ¿eh? Oh, fucking.
Más peor que esto,
Pinche esfuerzos de Christian, güey. No, güey.
Y sí, güey, muy cierto.
He's doing it all clean ass job right here, güey. Y pa' que lo choques, güey.
Está bien, güey.
No, fuck it, we'll do it again, huh?
Pues por eso, para que se enseñe.
Huh.
You know what, Christian? I think you're probably gonna need a little longer, way. Because we still gotta. Oh, we're gonna weld it, huh? I forgot about this.
It's actually good.
We could even actually put it all the way towards the edge.
I can weld it, güey.
We gotta
so push it.
We just gotta make this hole first, and then we can see how much we have to bend, or where we have to bend it, and then just weld it around here.
Pinche Cristian, si te está enseñando bien,
Estás
güey.
perro, Christian. Ya te extrañábamos, Christian.
Te extrañaba, güey.
I bet. Ah.
Te extrañaba.
Shit, Christian.
Pinche Cristian, ya te extrañaba.
Who missed Christian in the videos?
Yes, Caillou's back.
Ooh, hey, he said it, güey. We weren't saying anything, güey.
You want someone to make you a sticker, güey? With Caillou's face?
Please.
We're gonna make a sticker about Christian. I mean, Caillou, and
Thank you.
we're gonna sell it.
How far can we push it, Christian?
Ooh, you're gonna have a V mount, bro?
Sometimes it is what it is, güey.
All right, I'm gonna fucking start installing the coilovers. Yeah, cause you're gonna slide it on Tuesday, huh? Hopefully. So we're gonna try to get it running, and then fucking we gotta do this shit quick because probably sometime next week the city's gonna come and check my shit. So I mean, I'm probably gonna call them and tell them like what the fuck, and then I want to have at least this car gone, and then this one I'm just looking for a buyer. So if anybody wants to buy this shit, got the wheels off already. Check it out. I guess I'm gonna have to take off this this trail bar. Seems like a pain because I gotta remove the fucking these plastics to get to it. So it's gonna be fun.
Hey guys, it's me again.
One down.
I just took off the regular spring because we're gonna put coilovers.
Pass me the other one, way. It says my mom.
Hold on. Is this that side though?
Any fucking side way, no?
No, I don't think so. I think it is that side. Yeah, it is.
Hey, let me show the people, way. Lo que me hizo Christian, way.
Hey guys, so I burned myself earlier. I'm not really sure what happened. I leaned over something that was very hot, and pinche Cristian acá está valiendo verga. Arriba del ring, mira. Pinche Cristian, esos son de Harvey, güey. Pinche vato, güey. Mira, Harvey. Y no soy yo, güey. ¿Y te acuerdas ese día que tiraron un pinche rockstar atrás de tu camioneta también? No fui yo, güey. Este güey, mira. Güey, este güey. Mira, para que vean que Philly si hace algo. Mira. Oh, está bien verga, Philly.
I think my mom's calling me.
Alright.
Alright, bros. One coilover is done. Oh wait, OEM, bro. Look at this fat ass fan though. I don't know if you guys can see it. Looking good. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's almost there. The coilovers are on. I don't know about the height though. Same height, but they're on. Check out the front end. It's coming along pretty good. Christian's doing a pretty good job.
No. ¿Dónde está el pinche radio cap, güey?
That's what I'm looking for.
That's because it's a cold start. Yeah, it's a cold start.
Okay, hold on.
What happened, güey?
Tiró todo el pinche coolant para afuera.
Pues, Let me see the pinche line.
That's just weird.
Probably with the putazo, eh?
Well, hold on. Is that line the same?
Check it out. Check it out. This is like in an oval. So we turned it on right now and it leaked all the power steering fluid. I guess we're not going to be able to tell if the radiator is good because we can't turn it on. So once we get that line, we should be able to turn it on. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to start cutting the quarter panel, right?
Yeah.
So tomorrow we're going to buy some metal shears and we're going to start cutting the quarter panel. Alright, we're going to end the video right here, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Like the video because Christian's back. He's gonna be back. So, you know, guys. And we'll continue this car tomorrow. Peace out.